Hello, Peter. Good evening.
Evening, teacher.
Yes, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine too. Thank you for asking, Peter. How's the weather right now, Peter?
It's a cloudy.
Ah, okay. Is there a typhoon there or no?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a typhoon?
What is typhoon?
When we say typhoon, that is a natural disaster, one of the natural disasters. And when there is a typhoon, it will rain so hard. Heavy rain, strong wind, and stormy weather. That's typhoon. Okay, and if there's a typhoon, there will be flood. It can cause flood. A flood is when,
It's down rainy.
oh, it's not raining. Oh, all right. Well, that's nice because here in the Philippines, we just had a typhoon and many houses were destroyed by it. The typhoon right now is in Taiwan. Anyway, Peter, now today we're going to learn the words. So last week we learned about swan, beetle, donkey,
One.
and polar bear. Okay. So which animal in here, Peter, that you like the most?
I like the polar bear.
Wow, very good. Why do you like the polar bear the most?
It's, I don't know.
And it's all right, Peter. Okay, it's probably because it's white, it's cute, and they're big. Okay, now look, listen, and repeat.
Tortoise,
Teacher, did you eat dinner?
Not yet. How about you?
No, too.
Not yet, too. Okay, when are you going to eat dinner?
When over the class.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Okay, so what are you going to eat?
Um, I ate noodles though.
Noodles. Oh, okay,
I'm so
nice.
hungry.
Great, Peter. Okay, now this time I want you to look, listen, and repeat the words.
tortoise,
Turtle.
Okay, great. Now, when we say tortoise, they are the baby turtles. Yes. Okay, now look at this one.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Very
Lizard.
good. Are there lizards in your house, Peter?
Yes, yeah.
Yes. Okay, because sometimes lizards are on the walls of our house. Okay, what about this?
Insect.
Insect.
Great. Okay, when we say insects, there are many insects. We have the grasshopper, the butterfly, the bees, the beetles, the ant, the snail. The fly is also an insect. They are all insect. Even the spiders, they are insects.
Teacher, what is it?
That is a grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Yes. Okay, any more question?
No.
Yes, and most of the insects fly, but an ant, some of the ants cannot fly. Yes. Okay, now look at this. Say purr.
Fur.
Four.
One more. Purr.
Four.
Very good. Okay, purr is the mammal's hair. That's what
Mamas.
covers their body. Okay, mammals. Mammals are dogs, cats, bears. They are all mammals. Lions, tiger, they are all mammals. And a fur covers their body. Same with our hair, it covers our head. Yes. Okay, now look, listen, and repeat again.
Frightened.
Frightened.
Very good.
Scary.
Scary.
Nice.
dry,
Yes, I see it funny, not scary.
Really, it's not scary. Oh, it's probably not scary because it's only in the picture, but when you see it in person, I think you'll run. Would you be happy? Would you be laughing if you
No,
see it in
I
person?
say this monster is funny. I don't look
Ah,
this scary.
yes. Okay, but most of the monsters are scary, especially the ghost. Do you believe in ghosts?
Believe it? I don't know. But I believe it in God because when I smile, I see God. I don't know what
Um,
it is, but I think this ghost, and I scared it.
Okay, yes, even me, if I feel like there's something strange in my room, I would be scared of ghosts. Okay, now we have in here dry.
I see ghosts when I 5 years old and now I 10 years old.
Ah, okay, wow, that must be very terrible because you were just little when you saw a ghost. Okay, were you crying when you saw the ghost?
No.
Oh, very good, Peter. Okay, now let's look at this one. We have here dry. Dry means not wet. Okay, when it's not raining,
Right.
so when it's
Teacher,
not raining,
uh, do you think in Japan has many ghosts?
pardon, do you think in
Japan, Spain.
Hib- oh, Spain? Yes, there are many ghosts in Spain.
Are you scared?
Of course, I am scared of ghosts. Who wouldn't be scared of ghosts? I think everyone's scared of ghosts. How about you? Are you scared? Japan. Oh, Japan. Okay. I haven't heard that there is a ghost in Japan, but yeah, probably there's a ghost in Japan. I really don't know.
And Spain, Spain.
Spain. Yeah, in Spain, there are many ghosts in Spain. Yeah, because
How do
during
you
the
know?
war, how did I know? Because of the history. During the war, many people died in Spain. Yes. So they have big old buildings. So some of the spirits are still there. But it's up to you if you believe or not. I only learned about it. But anyway, okay, let's not talk about ghosts because it's nighttime and we're going to sleep later on after we eat dinner. I don't want you to think about it. Okay, now look at this one, Peter. We have in here dry. Dry
Right.
means the absence of water. Just like what happens to this land, it's very dry because it hasn't been raining for a long period of time. Okay, now, when we say dry, the driest place in the world is the desert. That's in Africa or in Middle East. Yes, the desert is very dry because it's usually hot there. Now look at this, we have lard.
Large.
Large. Teacher, do you
Yes.
saw the ghost? Did
Oh.
you see the ghost?
No, I've never seen the ghost. I've seen the ghost in the movie.
Do you watch scary movie?
I wasn't scared of the ghost in the movie because I know it wasn't real. But if I ever saw a ghost in my house, I would be scared. I think I don't want to sleep in my room alone. Yes. Do you want to see a
You live
ghost?
with your mom or your sister?
I sleep alone in my bedroom. What about you?
Sister, where is Mama?
Oh, Matmat is actually sleeping. He took a nap, and up until now, he's still asleep. Yes. Why? You miss him?
No.
Oh, yeah. You would know if Matmat is here because he would always listen and repeat the words with you. And he would sometimes, you would actually hear him, yeah, saying other words. Yeah, but right now Matmat is sleeping and he is sleeping in their room. He's with his mom now.
His
Yes.
mom, his mom is Yasita,
Yes, that's right. So Matmat is my
and
nephew.
Yasita is sleeping now.
Oh, my sister is not sleeping. She's only using her phone, but lying on the bed.
Huh.
Yes. All right. Now let's look at this one, Peter. We have here large. Yeah, look at this elephant. They are large animals. You know what, Peter? When you go to Thailand, you can see many elephants. You can actually give them a bath. You can ride on their back, but I never
Where can I see it?
in Thailand. Thailand.
Thailand.
That is still in
I know,
Asia,
I know.
very close to Vietnam. Yeah, there are many elephants in Thailand because they have an elephant sanctuary. So many elephants there from oldest to youngest. You give them a bath, you feed them, you can actually ride them, but I don't ride with the elephants back because it's kind of rude. I feel bad for them if I would ride behind their back. So I just feed them and I just give them a shower. Yeah, elephants are large animals, but they are what we call gentle giants. Have you ever heard about
Teacher,
gentle giant? Yes?
teacher. I forgot what's the I think to say.
What were you trying to say? You try to remember.
Um, I forgot.
It's all right. So let's go back. We have in here gentle giants. So when we say gentle giants, that means they are big, but their personality is very gentle. They're sweet, they're kind, they don't bite. Yes, that's gentle giant. Now let's listen and repeat.
Creature.
Crater, crater,
One more. Creature. Creature.
creature.
Very good. Okay, look at them. They are sea creatures. That means they are living things that live in the sea. Okay, what are those? We have turtle, tortoise,
Shark,
seahorse, shark,
shark.
crabs, snails, fish. They are sea creatures. Okay, and we have in here.
Herbivore.
Teacher, my
Mm,
my cousin is a good fixer,
it's a good what?
fishing player,
You mean fencing?
fishing, fish.
Fish, fishing. Okay, so he's good in catching fish, right? Wow.
He um fishing. He fish big fish. Uh, 11 kilogram.
Wow, that's a very big fish. Have you eaten that fish?
No,
What did you do
I
with that fish?
I have to fish many fish, but it's only small.
Well, that's nice. I've never catch any fish before when I tried fishing. Well, that's good for you
I
because you caught some
I
fish.
catch 18 feet. 18.
Wow, congratulations. Okay, do you like fishing?
Yes.
Okay. What do you do with the fish that you caught?
Uh, I give it in the water. Put it in the pond. I
So
feed
where do you
them.
fish? Where do you catch
I feed.
fish?
catch the fish in the pond, have many fish, and when I catch it, I put it again.
Okay, wow. You're just playing and you're just passing time. Yes, actually, we can eat them. We can,
But it's full.
huh?
We don't. I don't kill it. I don't kill it because it's full.
Ah, I see. I understand. Okay, so yes, but you know what, Peter? Once we fish in our family, we would eat the fish that we catch. If they are big, but if they are small, we put it back in the pond. Yes, or in the sea. But I've never catch a fish in my life. It was hard for me to catch a fish. Okay, now what do you call the tool that you use in fishing? This is,
It's saying. Who is saying?
you say fishing rod.
Teacher, I hear someone is saying. Who is that?
Oh,
Your
wow,
sister?
yeah, it is my sister, like the youngest sister of mine. Yes. Oh, so
Don't know.
you're very active in listening. Okay, now anyway, we have just forget about her. Okay, so we have in here herbivore. Okay, so when we say herbivore, those are the animals that eat plants or grass, such as horse, deer, goat, alpaca, sheep, rabbit, koala.
Teacher,
Yes.
do you know the ghost in the water?
The ghost in the water? No, I don't. What do you call it?
I don't know.
Ah, all right.
But
Yeah,
it's
I don't know
very
either.
scary. It's chicken have a blood.
Wow.
It's like a skeleton and it have a big hand to catch.
Wow, where did you see it?
I saw it in the video when the YouTuber in Vietnam go to I don't know what is let it and he draw a star and
Mm,
and fire in the star. Put fire in this star in the circle, and then
mm-hmm.
there is a candle, and finally there is
Mm.
a hand go on the water like this.
Ah, wow. Yeah, I don't
It's
know what that
famous.
is, but that's scary, whether it's true or not. Yes. Do you believe in that video?
I don't know.
Yes. I've never heard anything like that before. But yeah, that must be scary whether it's if it's really real. Okay, thank you for sharing that
I
one.
saw I saw a video when a woman
Mm,
blow the candle in the night and she talks something and uh, mm, behind behind see there is a door and there is a hand put in the top. And
wow.
when she go out,
Mm,
she saw her sister. Uh, her sister play a ghost, and then she laughed. But when her sister see her, he she like a ghost. She have a blood a blood face.
Oh, wow. Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's so scary.
Very scary.
Yes, but yeah, that's so scary, Peter. But thank you for sharing that one. That's a good way for you to
I have
practice your.
many stories of ghosts.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, you are very interested in ghosts. We'll talk about it during the day so that you won't dream about it. Have you ever dreamt about a ghost?
No.
No. Okay, so
No.
let's avoid that one because that's so terrible if you ever dream about a ghost.
Did
Okay,
did
so
you
mhm,
did you dream a
of
dream of
course.
ghost?
Yes, and I
Oh,
was like dying in that dream. That's why I don't want
uh,
to talk about ghost anymore.
what's the ghost look like in
In
your
my
dream
dream, it looks like
and
this
draw?
one. Let me draw.
Hmm.
Like a long hair. Like that. Like
Blood?
very scary. No, I'm
There is
gonna show you
blood?
a picture. Are you willing to see the picture or no? Are you
Yes.
sure you wouldn't be scared?
No.
No? Okay, so don't cry. Wait a minute. What's that? Like this one.
Where? Is that
Wait a
Momo?
minute. No,
Do you know the ghost name is Momo?
no, not Momo. Like this one, Peter. Yes, I told you it
It's
was
so
so scary.
scary. It's like a witch.
Yes, it's like a witch. But of course, if you are
Teacher, do
dreaming
you
in the
know
middle,
Momo?
no, I
Do
don't
you
know
know
Momo.
Momo? You fight.
No, I don't want to say ghost. Okay, but I'll see
It's
for you. Oh
don't
yeah,
so scary.
I've seen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like this. Oh, it's not scary. It is funny. Yeah. Is this a Vietnamese ghost?
I don't know.
But it's not scary. It's very funny actually. Yes. Okay. So anyway, enough of
Because
the ghost.
it
Uh-huh.
have a long, it have a long mouth, so she's some scary.
Yeah, she's scary. So let's not talk about it anymore because it's nighttime and I don't want you to dream about it. Now look, we have here carnivore.
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 Very good. So when we say carnivores, those are the animals that eat meat, such as polar bears, brown bears, cheetah, lion, wolves, and other things. Okay, now look, listen and say
Teacher,
ha. Uh-huh.
teacher, teacher. Do that girl in this dream hits you when and then you die?
Oh, I don't know. I couldn't remember anymore, but I died in that dream. That's why I felt that it was so real.
Why,
So when I woke
why,
up, I was crying.
why do you die? Why did you die?
I couldn't remember why I died in that dream. Yes. But the only thing that I remember is when I woke up, I cried because it felt so real. Yes. And I was so scared. So I turned on the lights. I checked the room and I couldn't go back to sleep. So I
Is
just,
this
mhm.
is this a far time ago?
Yeah, it happened a long time ago, back when I was high school. And now I am already working. So yeah, it happened a long time ago. Yes. Okay. So anyway, we have here hop and jump. Okay, what's the difference of
Hop
hop
and
and
jump.
jump? When we say hop, it's a small jump, like you just hop. But when we say jump, we can jump. So that's right. Very good, Peter. Okay. Now, Peter, let's look at the past simple tense. Listen carefully. We use a past simple tense to talk about what happened in the past. Okay, now let's review. We have the to be verb that is linking verb. We use was, that's the past tense of is, and where, the past tense of are. This is a positive sentence or affirmative sentence. Example, Mary was too lazy to go exercise yesterday. Negative sentence, we just add not to it.
Teacher,
There were,
that's what I saw when I small like it.
what? That's how
That ghost, the ghost I saw
mm,
is when I go to the restroom in the night and I don't have a light and very scary. Then I turn back and I saw a ghost.
wow.
It have a red eye and
Oh my
a
God.
big mouth.
Oh my God, it was
It
gonna eat
me.
you. Yes, I was saying that it was gonna eat you. Oh, that must be very terrible to see, Peter. Okay.
It
Now,
is my cousin.
Oh yeah. How many days is she going to stay in your house, Peter?
Tomorrow she go back home and but my grandma is live there with me once, mama.
Ah, for a month. Ah, so she comes with your grandma, right? Yes, but she's going back to her house tomorrow. But your grandma's gonna stay with you for another month. Is that correct?
Correct.
Yeah. All right, Peter. Now,
She say
uh-huh.
Vietnamese with my
What, Peter?
she said Vietnamese with my grandma.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I know that they're speaking in Vietnamese. Yes.
Can you
Okay,
hear
but
that?
yeah, I can hear, but I don't understand what they're talking about. But it's all right.
She say no, grandma no, touch on his lip. It's have a color and touch and it have a color in a finger.
Ah, okay. Yes. Thank you for letting me know about it, Peter. Okay, so Peter, let's go back to this one. So for the negative sentence, we just add not. Okay, and for interrogative sentence, that means we are asking a question. Okay, it starts with was. Example, where you was or where? Were you reading a book yesterday? Yes, I was. What were you doing yesterday? I was reading a book. Like that. Okay, now let's make a sentence, Peter, using each of the sentences. Example, positive sentence. Okay. I was asleep last night when the accident happened. What's your sentence?
Yeah, you say
What's your
again.
sentence? Let's make a sentence using each of this one. Using
Each
was. Uh,
was I was very happy happiest yesterday.
Nice. Now, what about negative sentence using not? Okay, now, she was not beautiful when she was in high
Um,
school, but now she looks
my
gorgeous.
cousin wasn't a smart girl.
All right. But I think she is a smart girl now. Anyway, Peter, it's
No,
already
she
time.
doesn't a
Uh-huh.
smart girl. She
She's not?
don't know how many months in the year. She say 7 months in the year. Wow.
Oh, I believe there is no such person as dumb yeah, it's just that she needs to study more so that she will know more.
And
Yes.
I asked her, see how many days are they in the month? She say 72.
All right. That's really hilarious, Peter. Anyway, Peter, if your cousin don't know anything, let her know. Be patient with her so that she will know something. Okay, because I believe you are smart to educate her. Okay, thank you so much for today, Peter. I hope you learned something. Have a great weekend and see you next week. Bye, Peter.
Bye.